Welcome back to Scale Auto Guys Workbench, and welcome to the first video in my new series called A Blast from the Past. This series will feature all of my pre-channel builds, and they most likely won't be in the order that they were built because I can't remember all of that, but I don't know if I'm going to do them single car builds like this or if I'm going to do them in groups, because I do have a few cars that are similar. Like I have a couple of different Challengers, I have a couple of different 57 Chevy Bel Airs. You get the picture. So may I introduce to you the oldest car in my collection. The 1973 Ford Mustang Mach 1. I built this kit sometime around 1980, if my memory serves correctly. I believe that it is from AMT, but I can't remember that detail. It could be an MPC, but I'm pretty sure it was an AMT kit that I built this from. This car was the first kit that I built right after high school, and I relocated from Michigan to Florida at that time. All of my previous kits that I had built when I was in high school were left behind at my father's house and were never seen again. So over the years, this car has been updated with its final facelift occurring around 1995. At that time, it received its current paint job, and I added bare metal foil to the body. And it has called this display case home since that time. If you look closely at the hood scoop inlets, you can still see the original paint job that was done on this car. It had faded over the years, and it was kind of I don't remember even what kind of paint it was, but it was kind of a red-orange color for some reason. The interior the interior remains the same color, same paint. I did not touch the interior. It's the same paint job that was in it when I built the car. This current paint job that you're seeing today is Tester's Burgundy Metallic. Again, if memory is correct. I'm pretty sure that's what it was. Because at the time, in 1995, at that time, I was using a lot of Tester's spray can paints. So that's what that was. This is also pre-airbrush for me. So everything was rattle can or brush paint. And most likely, it was all Tester's bottle paints as well. This is pre-craft paint as well. Now, I left the bottom. Now, the original paint job was that red-orange kind of color, and then at the bottom of the body, just below that trim line, I had painted it black. And I left the black alone, and actually I didn't do much other than just spray this color over top of the other color. I didn't sand it. I didn't primer it. I didn't even put a clear coat on. This is the paint just as it was shot. But I left that black stripe down there, and I purposely aimed the can to this part of the door so that it would mist over that black and fade in. So it kind of has a little bit of a darker accent along the bottom of the body sides. I don't remember if it came with the tires that are on it right now or if I updated those in 1995. I do believe I upgraded the wheels. It was the same kind of wheel, but I put a newer, shinier chrome wheel on it because the chrome had started fading just like on the side pipes and the rear bumper. The wheels were kind of yellow plastic at that point in time. So I upgraded the wheels at that time, but I don't remember if I did the tires as well. I don't think I did, but I don't remember. I don't remember because it's been 46 years, unbelievably, 46 years since the original build and 31 years since the last overhaul. It's also been with me through every move while I was in the Navy. So it's traveled to 6 different states, 10 different houses, and a few thousand miles in moving trucks in between all of them. The A-pillars were bent and the chin spoiler was lost during the move to Charleston, South Carolina in 1982 when I first joined the Navy. So most of my memory on the details for this build are intact, but not every intricate detail. This is one of my favorite cars of all my collection because it's the oldest and it's been with me the longest. I also lost the door mirrors. I just now noticed that it had little glue spots where the door mirrors were once located. Yeah, those were all lost in that move. The car kind of got crushed in that move, and I kind of put it back together then, and then left it on a shelf. It collected a ton of dust. The paint faded. It was bad. But in 1995, when I did this upgrade, I got the display case, and it's been in that ever since. So, yeah, that's my oldest build. So you guys get to see Scale Out a Guy's Workbench before it was Scale Out a Guy's Workbench. So the first video on my new series, well, it's at the end. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and click the hype, thumbs up, and share buttons. As always, if you have any questions or comments, please write those in the comments section below, and I'll be happy to respond to you as soon as possible. Be sure to follow me on Facebook, or if you want to, you can drop me a line at scaleoutaguy@gmail.com. If you want more videos like this one, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so that you'll be notified of any of my new videos. Thanks for watching Scale Out a Guy's Workbench, and I'll see you in the next video.